JD Camp 26 here, just do tips and tricks and hobbies. And how you guys doing today? Hope you're doing okay today. We got something in the mail here, and let's open it up. Oh, it's a SOG pouch. Okay, it's nice. Got the SOG in symbol, and okay, so it's got the two bands in the back for the belt, or for a backpack. I'm going to use this for, let's see, you got these kits, these knife kit things here. I don't have to buy a pouch, you know. Yeah, just slip them in there, and we'll close that up. And we've got a pouch for the extra blades, and I think that'll all fit in there as those blades, maybe a couple more, two more, which I plan to buy. So I hope you like watching these videos, and appreciate it when you rate and subscribe and you watch my videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.